Testing. Oh my god, y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy. This is Lindiorslife, and you're back for another one. Okay, today we're doing a reset. I haven't done a reset in weeks, mainly because truthfully I haven't really been resetting my life in weeks. I've just been like tidying up this house, tidying up my life, just doing a little tidying up, do a little fix around, and just been on go. But today I'm going to really sit down and reset. We got to clean this house. I need to go out and get a couple things. I got to get online. You know, I got to handle some business. I got to handle some business online in the emails and stuff today too. So that's what we're doing on this reset. So come along with me. Let's reset. We're probably going to start in the living room. Maybe. I don't know. I'm like not in the mood, but like I'm honestly making this video to get myself in the mood. It's time to clean. It's time to get up. It's 11:30. I've been up since 9, just doing stuff. But let's go. Let's reset. Let's go.
Did you want it to be fun?
Really get into it. Bow, get up.
Did you want cannoli?
I wanted cannolis.
Can we some?
All right.
Sophie, I'm gonna ask you how you feel about.
Y'all ever just need to put the phone down and get busy? That's literally me right now. I have the Kevin Lang show on the TV, so now it's time to get busy. Like, the motivation is not there because it's such a gloomy day, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna clean up.
I just can't compare them to me. And now that you say it, I'm like, oh, what's your name, brother? My name is LaFon.
Your name is not LaFon.
What like Larry? Why did you not think my name was LaFon?
I'm kind of over it. So we're gonna drink some crack to really turn it up.
I'ma let this Mac flow. This, hold on. I say I'ma let it. Alright, come on. Got a drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee. I had a thought. She be with this shit. She told me where he be. I say for sure. Baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know. Just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo with a handbag too. Red up, baby blue. She get the smile. She ain't used to this, cause she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing. Could've been a pimp. The way I move my lip. I be speeding. Could've been the driver. The way I push the whip. You a hoe. Could've been a bitch. The way you throw a bitch. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major lick. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like 6. Told her hit his phone, meet her in the wick, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow, say meet him at the store. I'm like, cool, let him run his move. Do what he gon' do, cause this the plot. Put him in a pot, let it cook like stew. I grab my Glock, it been through a lot, but it's this shoe like new, we at the top. Yeah, we lost a lot, but that's just how it go. But check the scope, if y'all lose one more, that's 6 to 24. Let me focus, can't be zoning out. He pulling up now, he double pop. He ain't getting out, he in that push to start. That new Porsche is built like a horse, colors like a fork. He got a ring, I guess he ain't divorced. Wife probably a whore. Now she walk up, she strutting her stuff. This bitch thick as fuck. That in the truck, kissed him on his lip. He cupping up, but now I sneak up, crouching like a tiger, like Snoop off the wire. The block on fire, so I take precaution. Mask on Michael Myers, I'm on his ass. He finna be mad, he gon' beat her ass. But this what happened. I got to the door, I thought I was capping. I was lacking, cause that go to yelling I was cracking. I'm like, what? I'm like, nigga, who? I was born to shoot. I got aim. I'm like Johnny Dane when it come to chains. So I rise, hit one in his arm, hit one in his thigh. This no lie, bitches do or die. You say you gon' slide, you got some nerve. Your shit on the curb. Boy, we put in work from 64th and from 65th. We not from 63rd. Bitch, we not from 63rd.
Without you all about me, getting anxious. Don't look back, it's all about you. Ain't talk right now. Feeling like it. Comfort in my sense, not about me. All I got right now. Feel a taste of resentment. Some more in my skin, it's all about. Last stain on my shirt, new bitch on my nerves. Oh, nigga got curved, going back on my word.
All right, girlies, we have cleaned. how we have cleaned, okay? The only other thing that's not clean is my downstairs room. I have some things I need to do. Really, I'm washing clothes right now, so it's kind of a hot mess in there, but I just figured after I wash clothes, I'll just get a good fold going, and then once I put everything back, I can really put everything back in there. So that's gonna happen later. I'm not even gonna pressure myself to do that this week. I got the urge to go shopping, but grocery shopping, okay? So I'm gonna pull a list together right now because I really want to stick to a budget. I'm really trying. So I'm gonna pull a list together right now, and I want to go to Whole Foods because they just got stuff I really want in there. And so I'm gonna go to Aldi's first though, because I'm trying to keep, like I said, keep a budget. So we're gonna do Aldi's first, Whole Foods second, okay? And I think that'll be a good way for me to keep a budget. But let's plan this. Let's plan this grocery trip. I'm kind of good about knowing what I have and what I don't have, so I don't really have to go look through that. So first, I've been really into fish. I want to try cod. If I can get like a little frozen pack of cod, I'm gonna do that. I want to get some tuna because I've been really into eating tuna. I might get another pack of seaweed. I want to try bone broth. They have these bone broth packets, like on the go packets at Whole Foods. I want to try that, so I'm gonna put that on here. Okay, I need those bone broth packets. Okay, so for lunch, I've been doing like the seaweed, tuna, a little bit of rice and stuff. So I think I'm gonna stick with that. So I really just need the tuna and the seaweed and avocados. That's what okay, so tuna, seaweed, avocados, that's lunch. Dinner, I want to do cod and some like a little mixed veggie situation. Probably a sweet potato. Fish, green bean, maybe something like that. Let me see how people cook cod. I like to do my research. I will never.
This week from Monday Meal Prep is a delicious and flaky Tuscan codfish in a lemon garlic sauce that's amazing. Pair it with brown butter and herb rice and mixed burgers. This meal right here truly defines meal prepping and takes it to a different level, especially for those busy weekdays. Be sure to like and save this video so you can remake it. The full ingredients can be found in the caption. Let's get right to it. Alright, so let's go ahead and make the rice by adding in butter to a pan over medium heat. Add some lemon juice followed by 2 cups of washed basmati rice. Add some thyme, parsley.
That looks good. I actually do have spinach.
Please be gentle.
This easy baked cod recipe is ready in just 15 minutes. Season with a simple black. You are gonna love this blackened cod.
Say hello to your newest go-to weeknight dinner. Cooking away to the seafood counter, and today we have black cod, which despite its name is not actually a type of cod at all, and it's actually called.
You know what? I might try some cauliflower rice this week. I haven't been on that, but if I can get a good dried one from, ooh, wow, looks strong. If I can get a good dried one from Whole Foods, I'm gonna do that. Cause I hate cauliflower rice that is frozen because then it be all sucking like. So we're gonna try cauliflower rice because if I'm already doing rice for lunch, I don't want to do rice for dinner. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's lunch and dinner. I'm trying to think what else did I want to get. That's lunch and dinner. I have snacks. I have popcorn. I have that other stuff. I need more apples. Yep. Yeah, and I think that's it. That should get me through the week for sure. That's when we get to the store. Let's go to the store. Okay, babes, we're back from the store, so let's do a haul. Calling it a haul is so funny, but yeah. Oh, let's do a haul. Okay, first things first, I got me some popcorn. It's my favorite popcorn right now. I got some more seaweed. It comes in a pack of 3 from Aldi's. I already have a pack of 3, but I literally eat one every time I sit down to eat them. So I just bought another one. I got me some apples, 3 Honeycrisp. Honeycrisp are my favorite. These ones are kind of big, so I got 3 instead of like I usually get like the bag that has like 5 or 6. Avocados. I got 3 cans of solid white tuna. I'm gonna try this Aldi brand. If I don't like it, I will go try to get something a little fancier from like you know, Sam's Club or Whole Foods or something. Okay, I got 1 energy drink. I like to buy 1 or 2 from the store just for like throughout my week. Whenever I feel like I'm getting low energy or have an early morning workout, I will buy 1 of those. So I just bought 1. So I think I have 1 in the fridge. I got cage-free eggs. And what else do I have? Okay, I have some turkey bacon, uncured. I've got cut green beans. I've got this veggie mix. It just has like carrots, green beans, some corn. That's just fun to throw together. I bought 1 sweet potato because I have these like frozen sweet potato mix, but I think someday throughout the week I'm gonna want this. I just bought 1 sweet potato. I bought some gum because if you know me, this is literally my favorite gum. And I never thought I would have a favorite gum, but at last I do. And last but not least, I bought some cod, which I'm gonna cook next, maybe tomorrow. But very excited about trying a new fish. I don't know if I've ever had cod. I'm gonna try it, but I feel like a fish is a fish is a fish, you know? And clearly I'm doing a lot of fish this week. But yeah, that's the quick little haul. Now I'm gonna pack everything up. And honestly, I think I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. I don't really know what else to tell y'all this week. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. Like, comment, subscribe, and holla at your girl down in the DMs, the comment section, and let me know how you feel about our reset this week. I think it went well. We really got the place cleaned up, and now I could start my week off right. Okay, bye.